Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, esteemed panelists, distinguished researchers, and all participants. My name is Afina Caroline, and I am honored to present my research entitled The Effect of Gender Empowerment Index and Poverty Rate on Gross Regional Domestic Product in North Lombok Regency from 2010 to 2024. To start, let me briefly explain the background of this study. Economic growth is one of the main indicators of regional development. In North Lombok Regency, GRDP generally increased during the study period, although it experienced fluctuation due to the 2018 earthquake and COVID-19 pandemic. At the same time, the Gender Empowerment Index showed an improving trend while the poverty rate gradually declined. These changes raise an important question regarding how Gender Empowerment Index and poverty influence regional economic performance. Based on this background, this research aimed to analyze three important issues. First, to analyze the effect of Gender Empowerment Index on GRDP. Second, to analyze the effect of poverty rate on GRDP. Third, to examine the simultaneous effect of both variables on GRDP in North Lombok Regency. Understanding this relationship is important for designing more effective development policies. Next, conceptual framework. The conceptual framework assumes that the Gender Empowerment Index and poverty are important determinants of economic growth. Higher gender empowerment is expected to improve economic productivity and participation, while higher poverty levels may reduce productivity, purchasing power, leading to slower economic growth. Now, let me briefly explain the research methodology. The study used a quantitative approach with secondary data obtained from the Central Statistics Agency (BPS). The observation period covered from 2010 and to 2024, resulting in 15 annual observations. Multiple linear regression analysis was employed using SPSS software to examine the relationship between the independent variables and GRDP. First, let's look at the development of GRDP during the study period. The graph shows that the GRDP in North Lombok Regency generally increased during the study period. However, significant decline occurred following the 2018 earthquake and COVID-19 pandemic. After these events, economic recovery gradually took place, indicating the resilience of the regional economy. Now, let's turn to the 10 of the two independent variables. The Gender Empowerment Index generally increased throughout the study period, indicating improvements in women's participation in economic and political activities. On the other hand, the poverty rate showed a decline trend, suggesting better living standard and welfare condition among the population. According to BPS, the Gender Empowerment Index measures women's representation in parliament, managerial and professional occupation, and their contribution to income. So, what are the effects? Let's see the partial regression result. The t-test. The regression result indicates that the Gender Empowerment Index has a positive coefficient, meaning that the higher gender empowerment tends to increase GRDP. However, the effect is not statistically significant because the significant value is 0.072, which is above 0.05. Meanwhile, the poverty rate has a significant value of 0.000, indicating a significant negative effect on GRDP. This means the higher poverty levels are associated with lower economic output. Next, the simultaneous test and coefficient of determination. The F-test result show a significant value of 0.000, indicating that the Gender Empowerment Index and poverty rate jointly affect GRDP. The adjusted R-squared value is 0.896, means that 89.6% of variation in GRDP can be explained by these two variables, while the remaining 10.4% is influenced by other factors outside the model. Now, let's discuss what these findings actually mean. The insignificant effect of the Gender Empowerment Index may be explained by the fact that many women in North Lombok Regency are still concentrated in informal economy sectors that contribute less to record GRDP. In addition, regional economic growth may be more strongly influenced by factors such as tourism, agriculture, investment, and external economic shocks. Meanwhile, the significant negative effect of poverty is consistent with economic theory, which suggests that poverty reduces purchasing power, limits access to education and healthcare, and lower labor productivity, ultimately hindering economic growth. Based on this discussion, here are the conclusions of the study. The study concludes that the Gender Empowerment Index does not have a significant effect on GRDP in North Lombok Regency. However, the poverty rate has a significant negative effect on GRDP. Simultaneously, both variables significantly influence regional economic performance. These results indicate that poverty reduction remains a crucial strategy for promoting economic growth, while effort to improve gender empowerment should be accompanied by policies and increase women's participation in productive economy sectors. From this conclusion, I would like to offer several recommendations. The local government should continue implementing poverty reduction programs through employment opportunities, education, and community empowerment. In addition, effort to improve women's participation in productive economy activities should be strengthened to support inclusive and sustainable economic growth. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.